Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a place where was a lot of noise. You should say, when this happened, where it was, why there was a lot of noise. Explain what you did when you heard the noise.
One time, I was at a music festival where there was an enormous amount of noise. It was a couple of years ago during the summer, and the festival was held in a big outdoor field in the countryside. The festival was set up with multiple stages playing music simultaneously, and people were dancing, singing, and cheering along with the music. It was incredibly loud, and you could feel the bass in your chest. The reason for all the noise was obviously the live music performances, but also the large crowd of people who were having a great time. People were shouting and cheering, and it was all amplified by the sound systems. When I first arrived, the noise was a bit overwhelming, but after a while, I got used to it and even began to enjoy it. I danced and sang along with the music, and it was a truly unforgettable experience. Overall, the noise was a fundamental aspect of the festival, and without it, it wouldn't have been nearly as fun or memorable. Despite the high volume, the energy and excitement of the crowd were infectious, and it was impossible not to get swept up in the atmosphere. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.